What if you could store videos, documents, and client data permanently without stressing about cloud costs or getting banned from a platform? I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get into it. All right, folks. So, this is the landing page for Filecoin. You'll find a link to this in the video description. It's described as a decentralized cloud storage network designed to give users full ownership and control over their data. So instead of relying on those centralized servers run by a single corporation, with Filecoin, your data gets distributed across a global network of independent storage providers. Looking for more leads and to dominate your niche? utranker.net is here to cut through the nonsense and build real strategies that actually get results. All right, folks. So let's kick things off by opening an incognito window. This way, our searches stay clean and aren't influenced by anything we've browsed before. So let's go ahead and make sure the settings for this one are set to English. All right, so let me go ahead and run a couple of searches. So hi proxies. Who comes up first? Check that out. That's me right there. All right, let's try one last thing and see if this one gives us a good result too. And look at that, folks. My thumbnail's ranking right at the top of the search results. So that's how you know you're on the right track. So, want your business to be the go-to in your industry? It all starts with ytranker.net, where we take you straight to the top. Let's get back to the video. Now, folks, this setup cuts down on the need for middlemen and also lines up data storage with open, permissionless systems instead of those proprietary ones we're all used to. So, as a result, users will keep control over how and where their information gets stored. Now, the platform is also set up as a practical solution for businesses and individuals handling big volumes of data. And organizations will be able to archive massive data sets and system backups at a much lower cost compared to traditional cloud providers. This is really a step up from, regular cloud storage. And what I like most about it is how cost effective it is. All the files are encrypted and verifiable, making sure both privacy and data integrity are maintained. This approach is especially relevant for creators who need long-term storage for video productions, digital artworks, NFTs, or design assets, without compromising on security. Of course, even if you are primarily looking for highly efficient storage solutions, you still want to be absolutely certain that your data remains completely safe, reliable, and fully secure at all times. So beyond just storage, Filecoin is integrating directly with IPFS and a wide range of Web3 applications, which makes it a good fit for developers building decentralized websites and applications. So that makes it suitable for developers building decentralized websites and applications that need persistent storage. This network also supports long-term data needs for AI training, gaming environments, and scientific research as well. Additionally, participants can contribute their unused storage capacity to the network and earn file tokens. This strengthens a decentralized, incentive-driven ecosystem. Now, of course, I always want to make sure you do your own research. And what better way to do that than by checking out their docs? All right. That way, you'll be able to find out more about who they are, what they do, what the advantages are, and what benefits you get when you're with Filecoin. It's right here, and it'll also be in the description of the video. All right. Now, whether you're a content creator, a developer, or run a data-heavy business, you can start exploring how Filecoin can actually help you store smarter and earn at the same time. So go on, check them out. Have a look for yourself. Visit the website and make sure you do your own research too. And if you're new to the channel, hopefully you'll consider hitting like, subscribing, and clicking that bell. That way, you'll always get notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll catch you in the next one. And now, peace.